Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Friday, March 26th, and there's only 4 more hours until spring break. That's amazing. That means that you guys have accomplished a whole lot this school year, and we're going to talk about that today during morning assembly, all of the things you've accomplished. We're going to start with the Pledge of Allegiance, so I need you to stand up, and then I've got a really special treat for you. I put a little challenge out a couple weeks ago, and I said, hey, can any class send me a video of you doing the Pledge of Allegiance? Because I've been just standing here in my office by myself doing the Pledge of Allegiance. And today, third grade is going to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance. So I want you to do this. I want you to stand at attention and salute, but I want you to just do a little whisper pledge so you can listen along with third grade as they lead Pledge of Allegiance today.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Nicely done. Thank you, third grade. That's amazing. Any other classes you want to send me a video, that'd be awesome. It can be a video of your whole class like third grade did, or it could be a video of just a couple people. If you just take the video on the phone and then just text it to me, teachers or aides, I can stick that right into the video. So here's what I want to talk about. First of all, this is everybody. We're all together. You know how normally on Friday during morning assembly, it's kindergarten through 8th grade, middle school is with us. We're all together right now. It's virtual, but we're all together. I want to talk about how proud I am of you guys for everything that you've accomplished. I was having a conversation with third grade earlier in the week, talking about this idea that we had to talk about a lot of hard things this year, and we had to talk about positive mantras and telling ourselves, I can do hard things. And guess what? Right now you can say, I did hard things. And after spring break, we're going to talk a lot about that idea that I did hard things, and now I'm going to rock it on this test and show everything that I learned. But today I just want to take a break. So spring break is a time for reflection. It's a time to rest our bodies and get ready for the end of the school year. It's probably a time to get together with your family around Easter. And I want you to just think today, what are you proud of that you did this year? I am super proud of the learning that I see that students did this year. I'm really proud of students that I see that can read things that they could not have read at the start of this year. I'm proud of students that I see in kindergarten who are writing these amazing sentences that Mrs. Wright showed me. That's awesome. I'm super proud of students in our summit grades who have taken control of their own learning in ways that we hoped we might see 2 or 3 years down the road, and they're doing it already in our first year of Summit. So I want you to go around a little bit this morning and just tell your class, what are you proud of? What did you do this year that you're proud of and you feel like accomplished for doing? Have a great spring break, Achieve, and I will see you all in April. Bye.